I'm that nigga from Chabas TV.
That's that hoe you got pregnant? What the hell she doing at my house?
No.
Go handle that.
What you do over here?
Hello, I'm pregnant.
You know my picnic that look at me.
Are you a picnic? Look, you don't see the belly?
Me no know what you talk about. Me no know.
Babe, what happened?
A balloon the girl have on her belly. All this, hey girl, you wicked. Fuck her up. Fuck her up, babe. Fuck her up. Fuck her up. Kill the girl. Kill the girl.
Oh lie, if your man know him woulda cry. Tell him a lie, oh you and I. Hear him why if you do. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me one bad wine last night. Tell him I want some again. Tell him